Hello friends, how are you? Look what I got today. My new Aura sleep mask. Let's unbox together. We have the Aura sleep mask, the hug eye cushion, and the USB-C cable. Look how cute the packaging is. Here's the mask. It's very soft. The eyelash-friendly hug cushion, the cable to charge, and a laundry bag to wash the hug cushion. Of course, the quick start guide manual. I started to connect my mask to charge, and then I scanned the QR code to go to the app, download it, and register. Set up in your language, connect to Bluetooth, and listen to music. You can hear the music. This is how you tie it in the back. You can sleep, nap, or meditate with 100% blackout. This mask is definitely the best thing that I've ever had because for so many years I've had problems going to sleep. The material is very soft and very comfortable to sleep in. You can adjust, take out, turn up the volume, turn down. You will see here the battery life or go zen mode. I really love my new Aura sleep mask. I highly recommend you to buy it. Go get yours now.